How to turn off the active status on TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Make sure you're logged into your TikTok account. Then click on Profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on three lines here, click on Settings and Privacy. After you click on Settings and Privacy, it will lead you to this page. Click on Privacy in here. After you click on Privacy in here, you will find Activity Status. And make sure it's turned off. Make sure the circle is on the left side. After you do that, your friends won't be able to see your active status. This is how to turn off the active status on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.